Guys, we are our own trendsetters. It is good to be unique. It is good to do things your own way. You don't have to follow what's going on today to be your own trendsetter. Think outside the box. Start doing your own thing. Stop doing the same thing that you see every day that everybody else is doing. Be your own creativity. Okay, guys? That's all I have for you today. Be your own creativity. We still getting things done. Come along and see what's going on next. Here, let me hold on, hold on. Let it go. I think like at the bottom we did. So this got to get attached to this way so nobody get through there. Y'all, this is just getting blocked out. Get it. And I got more rocks to go right here. Maybe we should cut it. Maybe cut that off then. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look right. Cut this off. Hey, maybe we should cut this. Cut this whole thing. Like this part right here. So that way we don't have to worry about that. And then whatever I need, I can put it down at the bottom.
Alright, let me screw this in.
The thing right there, hold on.
Oh, you gotta keep it up flush with that.
I am.
Let it down. Right there. Where you get drywall storage from? Oh.
Hi guys, hi, how's everybody doing? Welcome to Tea Time. I love you guys today. Today is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Please get your tea, your coffee, your snacks, your smoothies, your orange juice, apple juice, whatever you drink in the AM. Go ahead and have it now. Let's take a sip. Guys, you are truly unique, okay? In your own way. We are all unique in His sight. We are all beautiful in His sight. We are His children. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it. Believe in your truth. Believe in your happiness. Believe in your life. But by all means, believe in yourself. Self-love, self-work, self-help, self-mindset, healthy goals. Set yourself to healthiness, healthy goals. Love yourself for who you are, for whose you are, for who you belong to, okay? That's all I want y'all to do, and that's my message today. You are unique in your own way. You are all beautiful because we are all His children. He made us all unique, all beautiful to do whatever it is that we want. As long as it's good, we can do it. So believe and trust in yourself, and always believe in yourself, okay? No matter what nobody says. And on that note, we're going to take another sip. I'm going to tell you one thing before we leave, guys. If no one's never told you they love you, I love you. I love you with the love of Christ. You are my fellow brother and my fellow sister because He made us, and there's nothing you can do about it. So guys, always remember, love yourself, you right here. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so we can make this world a better place, guys. It starts with us loving ourselves first for this world to get better. Make it happen today. Make it happen. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Tea Time. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. So guys, you guys seen in the beginning that we end up getting that fence together. I'm gonna bring y'all back outside shortly because I have to put the stones. So I'm gonna tell y'all something. You ain't gotta always spend no money. You gotta get creative. So actually, I was telling y'all yesterday that I had to go do something. Had to actually put my my Jeep in the shop and get some things fixed on it. So we did that. But the guy who works on my truck is around the corner from where we used to live at. So guess what? We were able to go to the old house, get a piece of fence that y'all seen us put on the thing, get a piece of fence out the old backyard, and grab some stones that I put back there myself. So I did that, and that's how I was able to get the rocks. I didn't have to go to the park and get any rocks. I got rocks out of my old yard, and I got fencing out of my old yard. So the fence is up. I'll show you guys once I'm done what I'm doing in here. And then y'all can watch me place the stones. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the gardening yesterday. I'm still going to do things around the house in the back, now still, because I still have to remember, I still have the wicker box in the back that has to have some of the cucumbers. I'm only going to probably be able to put one thing of seeds in there because y'all know that stuff spreads. So I either can do cucumbers or whatever else I have, the 3 out of what I have, or the Swiss chard, one of those in there. And then I'm going to still go get that box from Lowe's, the cement box, and that's what I'm going to put the other 2 in. And then I still have to get 2 other herbs to put in the other box. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in for that. I appreciate it. Share the channel so we can grow the channel. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I have to take a load clothes out, put some in, and then I'll go outside and place the rocks, and I'll show you guys the fence, okay? So stick around, okay? All right. Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all real quick the progress that we made as far as putting in the rest of the fence onto the deck, because I don't know if I mentioned to you guys before that we have a big beaver. The neighbors have, well, there's nobody there right now because the house is for sale, but there's a big beaver living underneath the porch. So we were already going to like fill that in anyway, but it just made it matters go worse. I mean, go faster, because the beaver started like coming through the gate, underneath the gate or whatever. So we just blocked it off, and I'm just going to turn the camera around, show you guys the area, and then I'm going to go ahead and install all the rocks because we're done basically back here, except for another little part that like I said, we might do. I'll just show y'all real quick. So this area right here, you see where it's like this little like this. I think we're going to fill this in with mulch and add rocks right there too. So we're going to kind of make it look like this. So there is the fencing. We got it all up. So like now, when you're on the deck, remember you were able to see through here or come through there. You can't do that now. So we got that up. It turned out really good. Teamwork makes the dream work. And that's how it looks. I'm going to turn. We even got it down at the bottom, so can't nothing get in there. Yeah, and this is our little rock garden. I'm going to add some lights to it, probably a plant or something one day. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and add the rocks to that. So hold on the line. Y'all,
look at it, absolute drink.
No, Mom had this in the closet. She said, look at this.
Yeah, you said you had that shit here.
Y'all seen this before?
Canadian Mist.
She said Raymond had this in the closet.
Waste. Well, he just did waste.
This ain't even been open. So this, she said it's good for, because yeah, I'm gonna end this video, but I'm just want to show y'all. Look, I'm adding this to the BARCART. They have not been open in years.
Well, them about to get open.
Not tonight, they ain't.
They getting open.
Yeah, one day we can sit in the back and probably barbecue or something.
Them getting open right
and
there. What else you got?
That's it.
Yo, mama house. She pulled out the drink.
That's all.
She been over there sneak drinking.
No. Here, put that in there. No. And she said too that somebody would be thinking
she been over there on the
she was not side that she still was drinking and she don't drink anymore. So I thought that was funny. Nice bag I can keep.
She been over there on the quiet side getting drunk.
Can you say hi to the vlog? Hi.
Hi. How y'all doing? Everything all right?
Look out, he's short, y'all.
Another day. What she always talking?
No, I was gonna say, hey y'all,
how y'all? Me with that nonsense.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Always the foolishness.
But y'all,
just can't, you know.
I can't believe this. We got home at the same time. I'm about to turn on the oven, make some pizza and some salad so we can enjoy a meal and probably sit outside for a minute. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's vlog and seeing me do what I do. And we'll see us do what we do.
We about to go outside and get drunk.
Maybe.
And smoke.
No, she don't. I don't smoke, y'all. I don't smoke. I wish he would stop, but I don't smoke. That's what you want to do. I ain't got nothing to do with that. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.